Did you complete your study? Yes, okay. You have to focus simple questions, means verbal questions. ती बोलत आहे का, तो विचार करत आहे का, तिने बघितले का. Okay, simple question means verbal question you have to study. Okay, you have to focus on verbal questions. You continuous present tense. तो आहे, ती बोलत आहे का, ती काय करत आहे, तो कधी जात आहे, ती विचार करत होती का. That way you have to write. Okay, yes. Now Niharika, please come. Why did I call you here? I will ask you sentences. Okay? Continuous present tense, continuous past tense. Continuous present tense, continuous past tense. And you have to answer it. Okay? See, camera is there. Okay. ती बोलत आहे.
She is speaking.
मी खेळत आहे.
I am playing.
Yes.
I am playing.
Yeah, talk loudly.
I am playing.
Yeah. ते विचार करत आहेत.
ते विचार करत आहेत. They are thinking.
Okay. मी तिला भेटत होते. मी तिला भेटत होते.
Okay. I was meeting.
ती बोलत होती.
ती बोलत होती. She was meeting.
बोलत होती.
She was speaking.
ओके. तू वाचत आहे.
वाचत आहे. You are reading
व्हेरी गुड.
a book.
नेक्स्ट तू लिहित होती. तू लिहित होती.
तू लिहित होती. You were
Writing. Okay, no problem. You are making mistakes, but you have studied here nice. Means you have tried your best. I really admire you. Next time I will ask you again. You study well. Okay? Yes. Thank you.